I was sent this light at no charge for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box, check it out. All right, so in the box, you're gonna find the manual. You're gonna find a bunch of different bolts and anchors. So these are anchors if you wanna put this into concrete or something masonry like bricks or a brick wall. Here are some extra large bolts to use this bracket against the end of this, so that way you can squeeze it together, maybe put it around like a 4x4 square pole or a round pole. This is the brackets that it's going to take to put it together behind the light. Comes with a remote, comes with a bag of spare parts, and then of course it comes with a light. It's a really nice light. It's got the solar panel right here on the back. Looks like it's going to do what I need it to do. Let's go ahead and hang it and see what it looks like at night. All right, and as you can see here, I just put 4 lag bolts into this 6x6 pole that I put this on. And then on the light, you just have to put in the 4 nuts and bolts that hold the bracket onto this pole. And now the light is mounted. All right, and there it is mounted up on our pole. It's on the side of our pole barn. And that should provide us a ton of light on this side of the building. So I'm gonna let that hang out there in the sun until it gets a little darker, and then we're gonna check this thing out at night. All right, and it's starting to get darker here out at the land. So let's go ahead and try this light out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light off the camera. So now we're just gonna see the light. So I'm gonna turn it on. All right, so there is the light lit up. It lights up the area really well. It's actually really bright. So that is 100%. That is 75%. There's 50% and 25%. And that does quite a bit for light. I think we would run 25% just as a normal light. So the remote allows you to do 2-hour, 3-hour, 5-hour, 6-hour, or 8-hour intervals. And it lets you do motion sensing. So you could turn it to motion sensing. It goes to 100%. And then when it doesn't detect any motion, it drops down to, I think, 30 or 25%. And there it went. It just dropped down. When it detects movement, it goes right back up to 100. It's not super sensitive, but it does eventually kick up. Now, I do have that mounted very high up. So that may have something to do with the sensitivity since it is mounted up so high. We're probably going to leave it in this setting, the motion sensing setting, because when it's not detecting motion, it's got a good amount of light, more than we would need. And when we're out here walking around, if we need extra light, it should detect us and then give us that extra amount of light. All right, well, I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.